All right, let's get in this place. Let's get into this joint. Oh, look at how gorgeous that bike is. So, time to clean up my mess. This is where I keep all my stuff, my mural painting stuff, and also keep my motorbikes here. Nice dry spot. And I have a whole load of mess to clean up.